Space-navi. Space-navi is a pore weld detection system ideal for welding a nut on the upper side of U-shaped workpiece. Pressure is applied concentrically, so it is hardly bent, and this enables stable welding quality. It is similar to conventional navi series. When an incorrect nut setting is detected, the welder stops right before welding. It prevents manufacturing defectively welded products. It can detect 15 types of incorrect nut setting. The quick exhaust valve allows the compressed air in the air cylinder to be discharged instantly, and this improves the durability of the air cylinder and prevents deterioration of the linear sensor. Air blowing prevents spatter from entering inside of the welder arm. Great cooling effect with inner water cooling system. Please use Space-navi, which has little deflection and is ideal for U-shaped workpiece.